Well, is it pure laziness? Did I want a 10-inch? Welcome back to another video. Oh, I have my earrings. I just came from the store. I went to T-Mobile to get my daughter's phone line activated, but that was a whole nother story for a whole nother day. But this is gonna be a little bit different. So unlike my regular health fitness journey, oh, would this be a vlog or would it be a tutorial? If not a tutorial, it'll be included in a vlog. So underneath here, I have my hair. I braided my hair down. I'm gonna get ready to do a crochet hairstyle. Have not done one in a while. I've been rocking the braids and I love the braids, but I want a little break of having to do my hair because it literally takes me 3 to 4 days to get my hair done. Okay, and that's pure laziness. Well, is it pure laziness? Because I had work to do, but now that my time is freed up, and be able to finish it in a less time. So we're gonna see. But anyway, if this is not a tutorial, this will be inserted in a vlog. And let me show you the hair that I am going to be using. So these are the hair that I bought. As you can see, it's 2 different colors. So I'm gonna do like a peekaboo style. So this is the black. This is a 10. Did I want a 10-inch? Yeah, I did want a 10-inch because I'm trying to do a bob, and this is 14 inches. So I'm gonna have to cut this really short. But you know what? I want when I flick it over, it reach. So I might do like a little high-low moment. We're gonna see. I know high-low is not the proper terminology, but that's what we're gonna go with. Asymmetrical. Let me just be right. Let me just be proper. So I got comfortable, took off everything except for my earrings. Now we're gonna go ahead and get started. I need to take out my contacts too because I really and truly don't need them. In the back, I'm gonna go ahead and start first, and then I'm gonna come to the front. So the next time I come on, never gets old. Every time, the next time I come on, I'm gonna show you the front. I'm not gonna do like a whole sit down, but I want you guys to see a little bit how I get my hair done and how I do it. Okay, so contacts are out. Let me fill up. I wish I could have wear soft contacts, honestly, because it would be so easy. But you're going to me lose some. Spilled, put in too much. So out with the contacts, in with the glasses. So, with my spectacles, I'm gonna take off my earring because it's not needed. And then we're gonna get started. So, here's a big reveal. So you can see I have it braided like this. And then this is how we look in the back. In the back, honestly, I don't care how the back look. I'm really sloppy in the back. But in the front, as you can see, I'm very neat in the front. I don't play when it comes to the front because I feel like that's the part where everybody see, whereas the back, the hair is going to be flipped over it. Although with crochet, you don't really see the front like that. But I like my parts to be crispy crisp in the front, and then in the back, it could be like whatever. As long as the braid is tight, I'm all right. So I'm gonna come back when I finish the back to show you the front. Okay, so it's 8:49 right now. This is how far I have gotten. This is how the back look. So it is a little bit uneven. Oh, it's probably a lot uneven, right? But I do plan on doing a bob. So I would put a rubber band in the back and then snip it even so it could fall like at least right here. But this is how much I have. This is how far I've gotten. I'm contemplating on whether or not I should stop here for the night and then pick it up in the morning. Well, tomorrow gonna be busy for me, so not tomorrow morning. But I'm gonna see if I put a hat on my head, how will it look? Would it look crazy? The things we gotta do. Okay, it won't look that bad. Again, I will still have to cut it in the back, but it shouldn't look that bad. But I don't want to have to put on a hat. Uh-huh. So now I'm gonna move on to my colored pack. So this was a 10-inch, this is 14, but the way how it's gonna lay, I want it to all meet up. So that's why I have two different lengths. Because the last time I like the layered effect, but I also like it when it's like asymmetrical. So let's go ahead and tackle the rest. Okay, so it's the next day, and this is how far I have come. I love it. So I have this here to finish up, and I'm on this last row. This is how it look in the back. Where's my mirror? Let me check it out myself as well. So I was trying to go for like a highlighted look, so the back is black and the front is where it's gonna have the color. So I don't mind how it look. When I flip it over, let me see how it look when I flip it over. Yeah, so you'd have the highlighted look. The black is going to peek through. But like I said, I'm doing like a two-tone color. I just love this color. But anyway, let me finish the middle. Trust and believe. The middle part is what's gonna seal the deal. Ooh, I love this. This is my signature color. Honestly, I tried doing the blonde, but I noticed that the blonde, however to bleach it, it won't take well. But the red, I like how it lasts. I don't know if it's the same process they do, but let me go ahead and pin this out the way. I'm gonna show you a little bit of how I get it done. So I have the hair right here, and I bought 2 packs, and trust me, the 2 packs will last me. I take some mousse and I slide it through. I never did this before. This is the mousse that I'm using, which I need to go ahead and buy some more. It's a lot of body, and then I put it on the extension. Like I say, I've never done this, but when I was watching a video, I saw a lady doing crochet, and she mentioned that in order to minimize the frizz, it's good to add mousse on it. And as you can see, the frizz has been contained. Because when I did it without applying the mousse, sometimes I risk getting frizz, and by the time I put it in, the hair looked like it been in for weeks. But as you can see, I'm not putting them close together because I don't wear it in the center. I wear it in the flip over method. So let me see if I could show you. Put it in. And when I come closer to the front, I start to close in the gaps. So I put them closer together. Take the hair, rip it apart. Look at how smooth that is. Like I said, if you don't wet it with the mousse, you run the risk of the frizz. So, put that through. I don't do the invisible method. I haven't done that for years. First of all, it's more tedious. Second of all, the way how I braid my hair up, I don't need the invisible method. So as you can see in the front, like I angle it like this, because when I flip the hair over, it's gonna look like I individually put it in. That's one of the best hacks that I have seen, and I incorporated going forward. So now the back is straight back because I don't pull it up like this, but if I have to pull it up, I braid it and meet them in the center. But I rarely have to do that because, like I say, I like to wear the front in a top knot, like a half up, half down style. That's my signature style. Put it in, and then when it comes to the beginning, it'll start to get a little tight. Okay, and also when I braid my hair, I put extension in it. To me, the extension allow it to last longer. It's just a mental thing. It's just a mental thing because I used to do it without weave, but I just like how the coarseness of the weave allow the hair to add hair to the braid better. Like I said, it could just be something mental, honestly. And then you have to also make sure that when you put the crochet in, if it's snag a hair from this other side, you clear it out before knotting it, because it's difficult to pull it out on freshly braided hair once you knot this section. Hopefully that makes sense, but you saw what I just did. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and continue and finish up the rest of my hair. You, it's painful, but beauty is pain, ain't it? That's what they say. Beauty is pain, and that's the name of the game. So if you're liking this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oof. Boom. I like to get as I like to get as close as possible so it could give the illusion of my hair being real. Although it's not. But illusion is where we at. So I'm gonna finish up this one braid, and then I'll come back. I don't know if I do not know. Oh, I should have time. I should have time. I was going to say I don't know if I'm going to have time to shape it, but I should. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part off this section, pineapple it, take this section, put it in a rubber band, snip it into a bob, and then drop this section, put it in the center, and I'm gonna angle it down so that it could be it could have that asymmetrical look, so that when I turn it to the side, when I put it to the side, I go ahead and have that asymmetrical look. I want to keep, like, right in here. I'm going to start cutting short. I'm going to leave the length down here. I just love it. I love it. Even with the black peeking through, I love it. Anyway, enough being vain. Let's go. Let's go. Enough being vain. Let's go. I nearly forgot to grab the camera. So this portion, I'm gonna clip it away because I don't want it to get cut with these others. So this is how we look in the back. And then I don't want to start too short and then I don't like it. So put in my contacts as well because I'm about to dip out. Checking to make sure that it is straight. Yep. And I'm gonna start low. Was that low? That's how much I have. Let me loose it out so that I could see exactly what it can be. Is this short enough? Yeah. Yep, I'm gonna leave it that short. Then I'm gonna loose this out. Actually, let me see something. If I put it up like this, because after a while I do like to wear my hair like this. Let me see how it's going to lay. Okay. Okay. So this much. And this is how much I snipped. I'll make sure I snip it right. Snip it tight. Because with curly hair, it could be a little tricky. Okay, and then I loose it. So this is how I'm gonna wear it most of the time, but as it get old, I like to put it in a pineapple style. So let me see how it's looking on the side. Not bad. Not bad. It's only that just down here I need to make sure it's not like a drastic. Oh. So cut here and cut there. Let me put it on this side. Although I rarely wear my hair on this side, I just want to make sure that I have that same shape mimicking on both sides. I hate cutting my right side. I do. I hate it. But I'm gonna do too much to that side. Like I say, I do not. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So this is the overall hairstyle. And I love it. I love it. So I only have a little bit. I have one strand of this and one strand of the black one left. So I pretty much use 2-pack. Okay, and I love it. I love it a lot. So if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another one. And like I said, I always do my hair myself, so I say let me come on camera and show you how I did my hair.